The care coordination piece, I'm not aware of any other place that has the unique individuals that do exactly what Gail and I do. That is something that was developed in the outpatient setting about 7-8 years ago, and at that time it was investigated to see if we could see some other models somewhere else, and we couldn't find anywhere else where it existed across the country. So we've actually, from the ground level, built what we do with our care coordination and navigation piece. So I think that's unique.
As a care coordinator at the Parkview Cancer Center, it is my role to meet with all of our newly diagnosed cancer patients and sit down with them and really assess them as far as what are their needs, beyond just clinical, treatment plan, but bringing into account, just their emotional well-being. How has this disease impacted their life? Many times we find that the cancer itself is the least of the problems. I mean, what they're most worried about is the impact on their job, which ties in with their health insurance coverage, their ability to support their family. There are issues as far as maybe somebody doesn't drive, and our treatment course can be daily, Monday through Friday for 6 to 8 weeks. So there's a panic on their part of how are they going to get here every day. So we help coordinate, and really the word I think to use is navigate. My role is really a nurse navigator.
And that can entail a lot of different things. It can be connecting them with resources that are in the community, helping them through the Parkview system, and connecting them with people that can help them here, and then myself making phone calls and doing whatever I need to take care of them and whatever needs they might have.
And so it's taking a patient who has been diagnosed with a very serious and very frightening disease and helping to navigate them through our healthcare system, helping them to help reduce their fears and anxieties. And what we find is that what causes the most anxiety and fear for them is the unknown. And so once we can make the unknown more known for them and find ways to get them back and forth to meet financial needs that they may have. They may have no insurance and have maybe decided they weren't going to get treatment because they can't afford treatment. And so we're able to get them in and navigate them through all of our resources, our wealth of resources that we have available here at the Parkview Cancer Center.
The best part is when you get a very difficult case and you're able to put all those pieces together, and the patient and family have no clue all of the things that you've been doing in the background in order to walk them through that whole journey. Everything on the front end to them appears to be smooth and seamless. And that's the best part about what we do, is when we feel like all of that's come together, the patient's at the end of their treatment, and they feel that you really cared for them and that the whole group, everybody that touched them, worked together as a team. And so that's the best part of what we do.